Server installation. Open your VirtualBox, then select New. Rename your file based on your preference. We used Windows Server as our file name. Select on Windows 2008, 64-bit version. Select on Create Virtual Hard Disk Now. Then click Create. On Virtual Disk Image, then click Next. On Dynamically Allocated, then click Next. We will choose to allocate 25 GB of hard disk space here, then click Create. Click on Settings, then Storage. Upon clicking Storage, click on Empty, then click on the button beside your drop-down box. Browse and select your downloaded ISO file. Then click OK. The installation will now begin by clicking on the Start button. A prompt will appear. Select your preferred language, the time and currency, and your input method. Then click Next. Another prompt will appear on your screen. Click Install Now. For this prompt, we will not input anything since there is no product key for activation, then click Next. Another prompt will appear, where it will ask you to enter your product key. Click No, if you do not have any. Select the Windows 2008 Standard, Full Installation, then click on the small box at the lower left side. Before clicking Next, read and understand the license terms. Click on Accept, then click Next. Click on Custom. Wait for the installation to be finished. A password will be asked to be set. Keep in mind that the password must have an uppercase, lowercase, and number in it. After setting up the password, click on OK. Configuring the policy settings.
Click Start. Search for secpol.msc. Then click secpol. Go to Account Policy. Then click Password Policy. Then go to Maximum Password Age and set it to 30. Then click Apply, then OK. Click Start. Search for gpedit.msc. Go to Computer Configuration, click the Windows Settings, Then go to security settings. Click the account policies. Then password policy. Then go to maximum password age. Then set it to 40. Then click apply. Then okay. Go to start. Search for gp-edit.msc. Click gp-edit. Go to computer configuration. Click the Windows settings. Then go to security settings. Account policies. Then password policy. Then go to minimum password age. Then set it to 14. Click apply. Then okay. Click start. Search for secpol.msc. Click secpol. Go to local policies. Then click the user rights assignment. Then click the act as a part of the operating system. Then click add user or group. Then click the object types. Then check the groups. Then click OK. Then go to advanced. Then click the find now. Then click the everyone. Then click OK. And then OK. Then click the apply. And then OK. Go to start. Search for secpol.msc. Click secpol. Go to local policies. Click the user rights assignment. Then click the act as a part of the operating system, everyone. Then click the everyone. Then click remove, apply, and OK.